Hello, welcome back. On this video, in this video, I'm going to talk about developing a PPC structure. So I'm going to do a template of a structure in only sponsored products because sponsored product is usually the starting point of our campaigns. And then you can follow the same structure for sponsor brands, and then you can continue the same way of thinking on sponsored display. So sponsored products. Let's start this. Okay, so what we recommend is to separate your portfolios by product. So every portfolio would be a product or a group of very similar products. And in these portfolios, you're going to put all your campaigns for each product. The first campaign that we recommend you to create is an SP sponsor product auto campaign. So the auto campaign, it's going to try to target, it's going to try to bid on targets automatically, and it's going to give you lots of research. So these are research campaigns or discovery campaigns. Discovery campaigns. The other type of discovery campaigns that you can do would be an SP, sponsor products, broad match campaign. That will also target a bunch of a group of search terms that's going to bring you opportunities, some that are really, really good, some that are bad, and you're going to be able to play with those opportunities. Another type of campaign, a discovery campaign, would be the sponsor product phrase match type campaign. Again, that will give you lots of keywords, groups of keywords that you can target. Some of them are going to be good opportunities. Some of them are going to be bad opportunities. Okay. Also, we have the product targeting campaigns. So product targeting campaigns are campaigns that are going to target other products. So you can have sponsor products, product targeting campaign attack. That means you're attacking your competitors. You can have a sponsored product. Product targeting campaign defense. So you're using your own products to bid on your products. So you can take up real estate that your competitors could use. So you bid your products against yourself. So you can use the ad placements to take away the opportunity of a competitor to use the ads space. And you also have sponsored product categories that you can target whole categories of products. And this is usually very dangerous because you can spend a lot of money without a return. So start this campaign with very low bids. All right, next up, you're gonna have the winners campaigns. Winners campaigns are SP, sponsor products, exact match type. And these are campaigns that we are only using exact match, and we are only using keywords that are extremely relevant to your product, and also campaigns, keywords that you found on the discovery campaigns that they are proven to be successful. And then what you're going to do is going to move those search terms here with the higher bids, and they're going to become winners. And once you have winners that have so many sales, they're constantly making sales for your business, you're going to have another type of campaign called hero. So the hero campaign is the same thing as the SP exact match campaign, but with only one target. That winner targets, that target that's so good. You create campaigns, just not only one, but many of them that has only one target. And the goal for this is because this target is so good, this keyword is so good, that you want it to have their own campaign with their own daily budgets. So that's the idea when you create a hero. All right, so let me show you a little bit more about how this thing works. So When you start the discovery campaigns, you're bidding on targets that have search terms. So when you're bidding auto, you're bidding on products, you're bidding on keywords, you're bidding on many things. When you're doing broad match, you have a target that's actually a group of keywords, because broad match can mean many keyword variations. So you have you don't say keyword variations, you say search term variations. So here, those three campaigns here, they have a lot of search terms inside of them. Some search terms are going to have three features for themselves, maybe four. So let me talk to you about the search terms. So the search terms on the discovery campaigns, they they can be successful. That means they can make sales with lower costs. And if they can make sales with lower costs, what are we going to do with the search terms? These search terms are going to become winners. So we're going to get them and we're going to move them to the winners campaigns. We can also have search terms that are making sales, but making sales with a high cost. So these search terms, we can move them to exact campaigns, but they're not clearly winners because they have made sales, but their egg cost is high. So we can move them to the winners campaigns, but with a lower bid. And we are also going to stop the search term on running on our discovery campaigns because they're not performing well. In some other structures, we can move sales with higher costs to a campaign called downbid campaigns. Those are exact match campaigns that you're testing search terms that had sales, but with a higher cost in the past. Finally, we also have search terms that had produced many clicks and no sales. So these search terms, they need to be stopped because they're wasting money. They are being wasted ad spends. And the way we stop a search term is by creating a negation on the discovery campaigns. So these are the structure of a well-managed PPC accounts. We have discovery campaigns, we have product targeting campaigns, everything that keywords that are highly related and winners go to the winners campaign. The winners, they have superheroes, they have super winners, they call heroes, and they have their own campaigns. And we are constantly monitoring the discovery campaigns so we can move search terms to the winners campaign with the higher bids, to the winners campaign with the lower bids, or we can do a completely negation of the search term inside one of the discovery campaigns so we can stop the search term from being triggered because it's generating too many clicks and no sales. Thus, we have to stop that search term. So that would be the basic structure of a well-managed PPC accounts. And I hope you like this video. Thank you so much. I'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye.